Hey guys, we're back with another video. Here is a perimeter and area problem. So let's get into it. So first, let's figure out the mystery number. So let's see. There's a 2 right there and a 2 right there, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So the mystery number is 4. Now we got that over with. Now let's find out the outside. So 11, 13, 18, 20. So the perimeter would be 22. So now let's figure out the area. So let's split it into 2, right? And then let's see, 4 times 2, that would be 8. And then for this side, 5 and 2, that would be 10. So then 8 plus 10, so the area would be 18. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!